Welcome, crazy kiddos. Today we are going to see a physics magic potion experiment. So, before entering our video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Now, let us get into the video. And now, let us begin the video. For this experiment to be done, we would need a cup, a spatula, a measuring cylinder, and a stirring stick. The chemical needed for this experiment are baking soda, citric acid, and then food color. I have took yellow and blue food colors. Now you should measure 25 ml of water using the measuring cylinder and then pour it into the cup. Now I am adding 2 drops of yellow food color and then 2 drops of blue food color, and using a stirring stick I am mixing it well. So I've got a green color. Take another cup and using a spatula add 1 scoop of citric acid and another scoop of baking soda. And now pour the water slowly into that cup which is having citric acid. Hoola, see what an amazing experiment. So you can see that when you pour the water in the cup, the water starts fizzing. When the explosion settled down, you see the bubbles in the water. So what is the science behind this? This is nothing but when citric acid and baking soda are mixed in water, a chemical reaction takes place. The fizz that we saw are the bubbles of the carbon dioxide has been released. This is the same kind of fizz can be observed when a soft drink bottle is opened. So thank you for watching our video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We'll see in another video.